G'day guys, Donny's Hot Tip here. Now don't forget to subscribe because I don't want you to miss out on anything. Okay, today we're cleaning down these shoes. As you can see, they're in quite a disgrace. So what you want to do is just get a wet cloth with just water on it to start off with and just wipe off the bulk of the dirt. So as you can see here, I'm just applying a little bit of pressure and just rubbing the bulk of that off. Just there we go, like so. Because you want your shoes to look nice and good, because I don't know if you guys realise, but the first thing a girl looks at on a guy is his shoes. So they're very, very important. It's actually statistically proven that that's the first thing that they look at. If you don't believe me, look it up. I guarantee that I'm right. When has Donny ever left you astray? That's right, never. So once we've done that little bit of clean up, I love this stuff. And it's like a little bit of a shiny stuff, right? So I've got this little thing here, and I just rub that on. So I'll just quickly rub that on there like so, and that'll make it all nice and shiny. Because when she looks at your shoes, oh, she's going to love it. Now it's not just for the boys too, the girls, you know, you want to clean up your nice heels. It's pretty much the same process. So just go through it like so, you know, clean, and make sure you go underneath the bottom, make that all nice and pretty. As you can see, look at that, one's coming up very, very, very nicely. Oh, sorry about the bump there, guys. That's my bad. Alright, now we'll just keep going over here, guys, because, you know, want them all nice and pretty. So once you've got to that stage, it's actually looking pretty good already. Like, I haven't really done much at all. And look at that. That's beautiful. So as you can see, there's like a few black little marks. I've got this other stuff. It's like a shiny jet stuff, right? It's really good. So what you do with this stuff, you shake it up. It's almost like a paint, but not. So you shake it up, and it's got this little knobby thing here like so. And say, for example, you got like a little black spot there. You just push that on there like so, and you just rub it in. It might take a little bit to get down. Alright, just shake it up a bit more and push that down, and there you have it. Oh, I'm giving it a good squeeze, but I don't think it's coming. Maybe I just can't see it. It's coming. So as you can see, you just rub that stuff on there like so, and you can slowly see it's adding a nice black mark. And then you go all the way around. You just keep going around and around and around like so, and then that will tidy your shoes up. Alright, look at that. That's beautiful. So there you can see it's just coming out there now. Like, it's just took a little bit of time for it to come down. Doesn't normally take that long, but yeah, it must be because Johnny hasn't had a bit of a tidy up for a while, man. So you just swipe that stuff on. As you can see, it's getting that beautiful shine. Look at that compared to the old stuff, new stuff. So yeah, guys and girls, just make sure you invest in a bit of shoe products, you know. They don't cost a lot, and it saves a lot of money. And as you can see, look at it, it's nearly looking brand new already. So basically, you rub that stuff on there like so, and once you get all that on there like so, what you do is you get like a little dry rag, and you just sort of smooth and just rub that over. Okay, and just smoothly rub that over. As you can see, look at that one. That's the one there with the shoe shiny stuff, and that's the one without. And you can see, definitely see there's a big difference. So we just go around there like so, and we do all that. It's just to save time for the video, because I'm always looking out for you guys. I'll go around there like so, and I'll finish it off later. Now, I don't want to take up too much more of your time, but we've got one more little hot tip, and this is a great one to stick around for. And it's this other stuff. It's another product. Now, I'm not sponsored by any of these products, so yeah, it's water and shine protection. So basically, this is just a bit of a waterproofing. So you shake that up once you've finished, obviously, once it's all done. And then you spray it on there like so. And that's it. Okay guys, that was Donny's Hot Tip. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.